Sean here for the Dad Channel. Welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to do roasted whole chickens in our Viking roasting pan. This is 8 quarts. This is our 3.5 pound chicken, and this will feed 5 to 6 people in the family. And we're going to go ahead and roast this in the oven at 420 degrees for 45 minutes to 1 hour with these simple ingredients. First, we're going to go ahead and stuff it with lemon and whole garlic, and we're going to quarter our red skin potatoes again and our onion. We have our fresh rosemary and fresh thyme. Here we go. Step 1 here for getting this chicken ready for this Viking roasting pan is to tie this up. You don't want it all sloppy like this inside there. It's not going to cook correctly. So we're going to start right here on this little drumstick. Go ahead and tie your nice knot with your butcher's twine. I usually grab about 6 feet of string just to make sure you have enough. So you got that little guy right there all tied up. Go ahead and flip the bird over. Make sure you got these tucked in. Tuck them in. Make sure everything's out of here. Go ahead and get that neck out. Right there. And before we do this, I want to go through a little step here, stuffing this bird. Go ahead and cut that lemon in half, like that. Go ahead and get it in there. And you have your garlic head here. Go ahead and just put it all in there. Give it that halfer. Right in there. Take your other drumstick. Go ahead and tie them together. Wrap it around 3 or 4 times. Tuck these little wings in here. So you want to tuck that in there. Get down in there. Like that. Both sides. Go ahead and flip her over. Come down the back. Tuck that wing in. Make sure it's tucked in. So I wrap it over. Wrap it over. See how that wing's tucked in there? That tucked wing in there. Just go ahead and keep wrapping around. There you go. Come back around the drums. And then back over. And then we can tie her right here. See, that's nice and tight there. Got the wings in, and that's going to sit real nice and neat inside that roasting pan. And then you have your herbs. You can still have room to shove them in there. It's fine. All right, now that is ready for roasting. Then we're going to go through our vegetables real quick before we get them in here, and then we're ready for it. Red skin potatoes, roasting pan. Right at the bottom of that thing. Just throw them right at the bottom. So I'm using probably about 18 to 20 potatoes. We're just going to have them. Alright, now we got them in there, and you have your onion. We're going to go ahead and do that. Doesn't matter how this onion comes out. It all depends on how you like to either dice or julienne, it doesn't matter. But we're just going to go ahead and do a quick, thick julienne cut. Right into the pan. Rosemary and thyme, right in the pan. Extra head of garlic, right in the pan. We have your ground pepper. Go ahead and dress that bird up a little bit. Give that a couple cranks there. Have about 1/2 ounce of kosher salt. Rest right into the pan. And there, you have your mirepoix of delightness. your tied up yard bird, ready to roast. Ready to go in the oven, 420 degrees, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Let's do this. Here we are, dads, back with the final product. As you can see, this yard bird is golden brown, ready to go. Nothing is burnt. And that's how we tie this up. As you can see, everything cooked evenly. We're gonna go ahead and take our woost off. We're gonna get in here. We're gonna take it apart. Get the chains off this thing. Look at that. And as you can see, we've already temped it out. This is great. Great temp. You at least want 165, 170. Go ahead and take your woost off. We're gonna go ahead and break it down the middle. Look at that. To expose all that goodness. And as you can smell that, you're gonna immediately smell garlic, rosemary, thyme, and garlic, which is a good thing. And as you can see right here, we're cooked all the way through. We're good to go. Look at that temp. Little juices are gonna come out, but that's okay. It's totally normal. Don't hurt anybody, it's gonna be hot. Go ahead and throw all that stuff out. Let's go ahead and free this bird. Now you want to go right down the spine. Go ahead and take it out. You got half the spine there. Go ahead and discard that. Discard the other side of the spine. And then you have your half chicken right there. Then we can go ahead and take the wing off here. Look at that wing. Look at that. Okay? And then, of course, you have your drumstick. We can go ahead and release that. Then you got your breast exposed. Look at those cuts. All right, here we are. Now it's the taste test. Here we go. I'm gonna go for the wing. That's my favorite. Go ahead and get in there. Try to pull it out. Look at that meat right there. Thank you, Viking. Oh, I can taste everything. You taste the lemon, the rosemary, the thyme, and the lemon. It's so great. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get a potato right here. So I'm gonna eat that too. Now look, all those flavors from the chicken came downstairs to this potato. And now all those flavors have been infused inside this potato, which is excellent. So which makes for a great side dish, as well as the main dish. You can't go wrong. There you go, dads. Have a good night. Helping one dad at a time.